What's up, guys? Today we're gonna install a couple wall mounts. No. Are they wall mounts? Kind of. They're soundbar mounts that we're gonna put on the TV. We're gonna put one in the living room and one out back. Little Wally brand. I don't know, Amazon. And I have two of these Vizio soundbars. This guy's just been sitting in storage, so I was like, let's put it out back. Make it noisier, you know? Let's try to upset the neighbors. Just kidding. Let's go.
I love you guys.
This isn't really an unboxing because who really watches those, you know? Something like, we're gonna figure it out. Gotta take the TV down. Step one is to install the long arms to the soundbar. I just have to find the right screw size. Screw set for that back. Okay, for this Vizio soundbar, I'm using this short screw and then this little spacer thingy, and that should work. Has it going this facing down with the two squares, this going in the very bottom. So, let's see what happens. Yeah, don't need the spacers. I'm just gonna hand tighten it for now until I figure out what the hell I'm doing. We're gonna start over. Okay, it looks like there's two ways to do this. We are doing it the way that uses both the long arm and the short arm because the length from the TV, the distance from the TV to the soundbar is kind of long, so we're gonna have to use these little adapters. Just read the instructions, guys. I'm just going to hand tighten them for now until I figure out what the hell I'm doing. Now we're going to assemble these to the soundbar. Again, just hand tightening. Okay, it looks like I get to leave it straight, so I'm going to tighten these really quick. Okay, so normally, you should probably just mount them to the existing mounts on the TV, but I previously broke this hole. I don't know how, but I broke it. So I'm just going to mount it here using these screws that they provided in the box. And then we'll figure out where we need to put this bottom piece. Okay, so where do I want this thing, you know? I just want it to kind of hang like this, or like this. How far down is the soundbar? Let's go low and see. Don't try this at home. It's all dirty. That wasn't bad at all, was it?